If you want to learn how to import audio inside CapCut on PC, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to bring in your audio file, place it on your timeline, and get it ready for editing. This is super useful if you want to add background music, voiceovers, sound effects, or any custom audio to your video project. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut PC. You can either start a new project or open an existing one, depending on what you're working on. Once your project is open, look at the top panel and click on Audio. This will take you to the audio section, where CapCut lets you manage and add sound to your edit. After that, click Import. This is the option that lets you bring in audio files from your computer. Next, a file browser window will open. From here, select the audio file you want to use. This could be an MP3, WAV, or another supported audio format saved on your device. Once you've selected the file, click Open. CapCut will now import the audio into your project. After a moment, the audio file will appear inside the audio library. This means the file has been successfully added and is ready to use. To put it into your edit, simply drag the audio file down to the timeline. You can place it wherever you want in your project, whether that's at the beginning, in the middle, or synced with a specific clip. Once it's on the timeline, you can trim it, move it, or adjust it, just like any other part of your edit. And that's it. You've now learned how to import audio inside CapCut on PC. It's a fast and easy process, and once you know it, adding sound to your videos becomes much easier. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more CapCut tips, tricks, and step-by-step editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.